Hey y'all, so I'm coming on here to discuss what you just saw. So I don't even know where to start. So these wigs, I like the potential that most of them had, but the part dress Lily, y'all gotta do better with these partings. I understand it's cheaper to make the wigs because of this parting, but this is not realistic. Like, who got hair? First of all, who got hair right here and then it goes into the part and then it's thick at that? Like, nobody. So I have to wear hats with these and stuff, so that sucks. The only ones that were pretty good were the curly ones, because all you have to do is really pluck them out. They look super natural. Well, a couple of them did. The silver one, I just had to come on here and say the silver one was tragic, pure tragedy. They literally put a layer of hair over. Let me just show y'all, because I don't know if y'all saw. They put a wig on top of the wig, y'all. A wig on top of the wig. Like, why? I just want to cry because this wig had so much potential too, but I still, again, it's just, y'all, Dress Lily, please get better parting. Like, I'm begging y'all to do that because y'all have so much potential. But what I can say is, if I were to buy these wigs myself, just because since they're so inexpensive, literally you can just keep them as emergency wigs. That black curly one is a throw on and go, and you like there's no part, so you don't even have to worry about those. To be on the safe side, if you do want to get it from Dress Lily because they are so inexpensive, I would go with the curly wigs. But if you don't mind wearing hats and like hiding your hairline somehow, then by all means I would recommend this company. But if you're looking for like straight wigs and you want to wear them out and slay, and you know, you don't wear hats usually, it's just no for you. But I would definitely recommend that curly one. I like that one a lot. I like this one, and I like the wavy one. So let me know your top threes, if there was a top three, or your favorite one on me, and which one you would probably purchase if you were to purchase something from Dress Lily. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the wig review. That was actually really fun, like just seeing how different wigs would look on me in different colors, because I've never tried some of those. Well, yeah, I've never tried like 3 of those colors ever before, like the mixed color wig, the curly one, the short curly one. I've never tried that kind of color before. Then the orange one, and then the silver gray one. I've never tried those colors before, so it was pretty fun to see how they looked on me. But yeah, I hope you all have a good one. Bye.